Hey artist, look, Hendrik is drawing again. Right, in this video I'm gonna give you free brushes that I made. For free, completely for free, don't worry about it. Just go to my description in this video. Yeah, click it. This is a place where I post my digital products, so you guys can download and use it for free. You don't need to spend anything. I just put 0 is fine. Oh, my bad. Yeah, click it. Put your email address, so it will be sent to your email. View content and download. That's it, and you got it. And open it on your iPad. Alright, if you downloaded already, let's start drawing. Use the sketching brush. I make this sketching process a little bit faster because I don't want this video to be too long. If you want to see sketching tutorial, you can watch on another video or another tutorial after watching this video. To create proper line, we use guideline brush. So in this part, you just need to follow the raw sketch that you made before. And next part is the most interesting part. That is coloring. Alright, I put the color layer under the sketching layer. So when you color it, it won't cover your sketching. After layering the base skin color, now we put the shadow color using the same color. That is brown, skin brown, but a little bit darker. And repeat it using the darker one. To blend all those color, I use brush color. My total subscriber are just 266 and I hope it's racing. I thank you guys. And actually I do have Instagram. You can follow it. Shading brush. I use this shading brush to fill black color on the face. For example, for nose, for eyes, and for mouth. I changed the color of the sketching into black color. After changing the color, I will blend it using the brush color. Now I fill the highlights. After filling the highlights, now let's move to the details. I focus on eyes because that's the most important one for the drawing. making pattern of the eyebrows, now we blend every edge of them to make it looks realistic. For the hair, I love white and gray hair. I make the base color using gray and fill it with darker and white.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing.
For the rendering part, I fill the eyes with blue color, so it looks like tribe or something. I like it.
I'm losing it, the noose it fits, I'm losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip, you choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind?
I love making noise to the skin, so it looks realistic. It doesn't look like a plastic or something.
In different versions, each new update that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like
And
a
small
neighbor.
tattoo.
Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody
And it's almost done. I hope you can enjoy this tutorial. Yeah, tutorial how to use my brush. Enjoy, guys.
Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. That's it, the end of the song. Next time you'll sing along. Trust me, there's nothing wrong. I just need to carry on, cause society's a myth put there to make you sit. Listen to what they give, don't ask questions, shut your lid.
See you again for the next content. Bye.
The grid, feel like my brain is overloaded, man, I'm losing